Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. Make sure you follow our YouTube page for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. Today, the country get 100,800 doses of the AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccine them. The Ministry for Health said this in a one tweet a little while ago. The AstraZeneca come from Canada from the COVAX facility and the Johnson & Johnson come from the African Medical Supply Platform. 2 firemen dead in a one crash near Lawlong Post Office in a St. Anne last night. Dead are Stephen Walters and Alex Williams, who work at the Ocho fire station. Some report has said the 2 men they travel in a one private car when them crash in a one nether car. Yesterday, the country recorded 536 new COVID cases and 2 more people dead. According to the Ministry for Health, 323 are women and 213 a man. Them aged from 1 day old to 103 years old. The Portland police said they look for one taxi man who tests positive for the coronavirus but being still around taxi from Anchovy to Port Antonio up to Saturday. The man tested positive last week Wednesday and doctor tell him to turn him yard for 14 days but him still go around taxi. The taxi man family member them been reporting to the police. 13 years back, dancehall artist Rowan Stevens, who people call Zoom J, been joined the U.S. Army. Sat the guard in turn Sergeant First Class. Zoom J said this is the biggest achievement for him so far and him well proud of himself. On top of that, Zoom J have a Bachelor's of Arts in Sociology and a Master's degree in Criminal Justice. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.